Welcome to Superb Story Time, a time where we listen to wonderful, beautiful short stories. We draw life skills, life lessons, life values from them and become thought leaders. A simple, beautiful story of two neighbors. One is a retired school teacher, and the second one is a techie, an IT professional using technology and all that. And they moved to houses right next to each other, divided by a very small wall. Very good neighbors. It They get a garden which is very large, very big. Both of them love gardening. They enjoy gardening. That is their time, their hobby, and they love it. And both of them, okay, fix the place, their own gardens, and they keep planting some seeds and all that. The thing they plant some flowery plants. They plant some fruit-bearing trees, and so many other things. Okay, now what happens is that the techie guy, the person who's using technology and he's an IT professional, young guy in his late 20s, early 30s, okay, in late 20s, you can keep like 30-year-old. What he does is he uses chat GPT, he uses every other thing, gets the best manure, gets the best fertilizer, pesticides, insecticides, puts everything, gives special, buys special nutrient for the plants, and he puts all of that. Whereas, and him and the old man, both of them keep talking. They say, I did this, see, my plant will grow fast, this will happen and all. And the school professor will keep, retired school teacher will keep saying, okay, okay, good, good, good. What are you doing? I'm doing nothing much. I just put it. It'll take its own time course and all the things. He said, you should use that. With that, you will get better yield, better growth, every other thing. So now, what happened was that within 2 years, the techie's garden was a beautiful flowering plant. Trees had come off very fast because he was giving extra some very well researched uh, thing for the trees and all that. Very beautiful it was looking. Whereas our school professor, school teacher, retired school teacher, very little. Very little. He says, what is this? I'll give you some. And he said, it's okay. I'm okay with this. So almost 5 years passed by. This techie's garden is looking so amazing, it's looking really beautiful. Tall trees, very nice. Whereas our English, our retired school teacher, his trees are okay, his plants are okay, not that great and all the thing. One night, there is a cyclone, massive winds from the speed of 50, 60 kilometers per hour, huge wind. Huge winds are going on. There is havoc. There is chaos outside. The breeze is battling, hitting everything up, and every other thing. So early in the morning, the young turkey goes and sees his garden is destroyed. His garden is destroyed. Trees have fallen. They've got uprooted. The plants are destroyed and every other thing. Whereas the old man, when he comes, he sees his garden is intact. Nothing happened. Few branches here and there are broken. This young techie goes and says, "Why? What happened? See, mine is completely devastated. There's nothing left. How come yours? There is hardly anything. It does not look like there was a cyclone last night. It's just a here and there few branches, leaves falling around, but there's nothing much. Why do you think that happened?" As the teacher, the retired teacher with his experience, he knew that quick growth is not going to sustain systematic growth. He did not provide the trees easy nutrients. The trees have to go inside, put out its roots, and the more roots it goes in, it grips. The tree strength depends upon the roots, how deep they are, how strong they are, and how widely spread they are. But in case of the techie, what he did was he gave the nutrients, he gave some formulations and all the other thing, which is good in terms of a house garden or other thing like that, because they don't have much of area. But in a garden or in some place, That is not advisable. So he did that. He got very good results. His skills for the first few years, his garden flourished, and he was very proud of himself. But in one night, everything went away. So
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.